In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save Instagram Reels to your camera roll. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then head over to profile and then hit add that reels icon to see all the reels you have ever uploaded on Instagram. Then, in order to save those reels to your camera roll, you should tap on the reel, then hit at three dots and then select download. The downloading process is started, and once it is done, that will save that particular reel to our camera roll. Now it says saved. We can hop out Instagram and open up Photos app, where at Recent album we can easily find the reel that we have just saved. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.